How to recover deleted Telegram account. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can possibly recover your deleted Telegram account. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. First thing first, you're going to have to open up a Telegram app, and if if you cannot see your deleted account, then in that case, you're going to have to contact Telegram support. In order to do that, open up any web browser on your phone. And now on the search bar, you're just going to go ahead and search for Telegram support. Once you go ahead and search for Telegram support, just click on this link right here, or you can just go ahead and type in this URL, telegram.org/support. And here you're going to have to describe your problem, saying that I have accidentally deleted my account. And once you have done that, you could write your full legal name, enter your email address, and enter the phone number that was deleted. So once you have done that, click on submit, and Telegram's help and support team will contact you on the email that you provide right here. And once you provide your email, you could just go ahead and submit the report, and they will contact you on the email. Just follow the instruction given by them, and you should be able to recover your account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.